wave. That's nice. A lot of drivers are not that courteous. Okay, so I'm gonna make a left turn on this street. I'm in the middle, right? I'm gonna go up, squeeze my brake, and you see me look. And then I turn middle right. That's a pretty good turn out. And you can see that. You can see my face and see me looking. You won't be able to see my hands as much, but I want you to understand. So I'm gonna make a right turn, and I come up to a stop. This is a partially controlled intersection. I look, and then I make my turn, hand over hand in, and you can see I'm turning out hand over hand. This is a cul-de-sac or a circle drive. It depends on where you are in the country or world. I have some beautiful houses here, as you can see. And I'm gonna go in. I would not want my house by the expressway, but it's a beautiful house nevertheless. So I'm going in real easy, and then I turn out. This is a good area to take beginners. Low opportunities to crash. Great areas to develop steering and lane positioning, which I definitely advocate. And then I'm going to turn on my blinker just for educational purposes. I'm looking around. And then I turn my wheel. I'm going really easy. And as you drive, you should be looking where you want to go.